Hey everyone, welcome to 3ERP. I'm Denny. In the world of precision manufacturing, there are machines that are built like workhorses. Some are like racehorses. But what if you have a machine that's both? Meet the Haas VF-2SS, a high-performance vertical machining center. And that SS on the name? It's not just a fancy sticker. It stands for Super-Speed. So what does that actually mean for your project? Let's break it down. Let's start right here with this 12,000 RPM direct drive spindle. That speed isn't just a cool number. It enables us work with smaller tools, get those fine details perfect, and create super smooth finishes, especially on metals and plastics. But here's where it gets even better. The rapids. This thing moves at 1,400 inches per minute. That's 35.6 meters per minute. What does that mean for you? It means way less downtime, less time moving, more time for cutting. And we don't just go fast, we go smart. Check out the high-speed machining tool paths on the control. Smooth arcs, consistent tool engagement. That's how we keep things accurate, even at top speeds. Of course, speed means nothing if the machine isn't rock solid. This whole thing is built on a rigid, American cast iron frame. That means less vibration, less heat distortion. So we hold crazy tight tolerances, run after run. And for the setup, our wireless probing system automatically locates your part with micron-level accuracy. That means no guesswork, no human error. Ensures consistent quality from the first part to the last. We consistently hold tolerances that set us competitive. Your parts don't just fit, they fit perfectly. Every single time. Now, let's talk about the unsung hero of the productivity, the tool changer. This is a 24 side mount tool changer. Why side mount? Because it's faster, with tool to tool, in just 1.8 seconds. And it keeps everything clean and separate from the cutting area. Let's check this out. With a work envelope of 762 by 406 by 508 millimeters, it handles a diverse size range, from small precision parts to larger parts. That kind of versatility that makes us to be your true one-stop manufacturing partner. So yeah, the VF-2SS is a beast, but it's not the only player in our team. With over 40 CNC mills and lathes, we've got the capacity and customized solutions for whatever your project demands. Ready to see what we can build together? Reach out to us now for a free quote. We can't wait to tackle your biggest challenges.